I would like to introduce you to WordPress. WordPress is a website design tool intended to be user-friendly while being fully compatible with phones, tablets, and computers. We call that responsive because the layout responds to the media where it's being displayed. WordPress does not require downloading or installing any software. The software is installed on the hosting server. WordPress is maintained and backed by WordPress.org. The WordPress software is free to anyone and can be installed and managed on any hosting server. WordPress is really just a core structure for building websites in a friendly and familiar environment. Who uses WordPress? Over 455 million websites use WordPress. That means that WordPress makes up 35% of all websites. Some familiar examples include PlayStation, BBC America, MTV News, the Disney Company, TechCrunch, The New Yorker and Variety magazines, Bloomberg Professional, artists like Beyonce, the official website of the country of Sweden, Microsoft News Center, and more. In the old days, websites were built from the top down. Choose a design and fill in the content. WordPress builds from the ground up. You can think of WordPress as being like a store mannequin. Build your core content, then dress it up with a design theme to look the way you like. Change your mind, switch to a new theme, much like you would change a mannequin, but without having to start over. There are literally thousands of design themes for WordPress. More than 2,000 of them are totally free, while a specialized design theme can average $25 to $50 with extra features and technical support. You can search for a suitable design and install it. When you want to switch to the new design, click Activate. Change your mind, install and activate a different theme. Add a nip and tuck to make adjustments and you're good to go. No coming soon or under construction at all. The WordPress dashboard provides access to the various functions and content. WordPress lets you add content in one of two forms, regular web pages or blog posts. The dashboard menu provides access to all the WordPress functions. Managing and customizing the design theme, arranging the menu, adding and editing pictures, managing users and administrators, and adding special features like contact forms, photo galleries, shopping carts, tables, even video, along with search engine and social media functions, and more, using add-on plugins. Plugins are like adding accessories like a tennis racket or a football helmet to the store mannequin. WordPress builds on the familiar editing structure of programs like Microsoft Word or Publisher. To add your content, just start typing inside the box, just like you would for Word. Make it interesting with headlines, bold, italics, alignment, and outside links. You can add pictures from the media library or upload your own. To save your work, simply click the Publish button. Want to change something? Open the page and click the Edit button. You can also save as draft if you want to come back later to finish it. WordPress is designed for collaboration, so different people can take responsibility for different functions. One person might be in charge of blog posts, another might work on shopping cart items, while someone else is responsible for updating the pages. WordPress won't let more than one person work on a section at a time. That way, nobody can interfere with what you're working on. Hosting your WordPress website with Cybershoot.com has lots of advantages, including things that others charge extra for, like HTTPS certificates and daily backup. Basic hosting starts at $10 a month with unlimited traffic. We install and set up your WordPress site at no charge, provide free orientation and WordPress instruction, technical help when you need it, and we'll even manage your content for you for as little as $5. Cybershoot goes even further, providing daily WordPress and plugin updates so you don't have to. We hope this introduction to WordPress has been helpful and has eased any fears you might have had. WordPress has some powerful features, but it's designed specifically for people who are not technical. And the best place to host your WordPress website is Cybershoot Hosting, with over 25 years of service under the same ownership since 1994.